Ho ho! Long time no see. Well, at least for me. You probably just came back from the last. Anyway, I got my hair cut, I shaved a little bit, and I explored pretty much everything the hostel that I stay in had to offer. And let me tell you, some pretty nice stuff. I feel really good. I've had there was a hot tub in there, there was a cold tub in there, there was a sauna. My GoPro is still around 15%. I charged it just a little bit just so that I can show you guys well, what I've done to my face. Man, just look at this. Like I can't really do it justice on the GoPro, but like even just these back alleys are just so awesome. Is that an American flag I see in the background? Yeah, I was right. It is definitely an American flag, and it says America something on it. So I'm on my third day here. I know I haven't gotten much footage until now, but honestly it's been really hard to keep everything charged and in order. I went from my last pod hotel to this one, which is a little bit closer to Tokyo, so hopefully I'll get you some more footage from Tokyo itself. Also, if you look right here, I'm gonna do this later. I'll at least get you footage of that. It's a cat cafe. Can I zoom? Can I zoom? No? Okay. Hello? So literally, as I was telling you guys I was gonna give you footage, my GoPro took a schnitzel itself. And I don't know what's wrong with it, but I've had issues since the beginning, and I can't exactly return this thing right now. I'm in Japan, and I bought this in like Best Buy, and like you don't even know where that is. That's kind of like half the reason I came down here was to vlog this, but oh well, we can hope for the best and do what we can. In the meantime, enjoy some Akihabara. Look at that. Okay, so my grandfather's name just happens to be Lawson. So why don't we check out this convenience store that's actually fairly popular down here. So most of these convenies, as they're known, have a very similar layout to one another. Not unlike something you'd find at the US gas stations. Quick, convenient, universal stuffs. I'd argue this seems more useful than most gas stations. Alcohol, I have found, sometimes has a tiny little section in the back corner from what I've seen. Not a huge variety, but effective. You would also typically get your masks in places like this, like the mask I'm wearing. I don't actually see any here, but I'm sure they're around the corner somewhere. Well, that was fun. Oh, and by the way, if you thought McDonald's on every corner was just an American thing, you're wrong, okay? There's McDonald's everywhere. I've literally come across 3 McDonald's literally almost within the same block. Like there's 2 down that way and there's 1 down here. You can see them from each other. Hey, that's a tourist thing right there. I saw the ad for this while I was actually just last night while I was booking this hotel. Typical tourist bus. Wasn't very interested. I'm not your typical tourist, okay? I don't need a tourist bus. Thank you. And just a quick little tourist tip, Family Mart seems to be the most common out of all the shops, and my personal favorite just seems to have the most. And I don't know about prices, but nice and open, convenient. You know, I expected there to be a lot more techie shops here. There was a couple things that I was gonna get or maybe try and get while I was down here, just because I figured it was Japan, it was gonna have a lot of tech stuff. But no, I don't see that many, honestly. I wish I could show you guys what I see. I feel like this GoPro isn't doing it much justice, but man, this place. If you like cities, Japan is for you. They just find a way to make the city so interesting. All the colors, lights, movement. Tall ass buildings, really grouped in together so you can pretty much do whatever you want right there beside each other. Look at that. Look at that guy up top. I don't know if you can see him or not, but look at that guy up top. Yeah. Yep. $400. Cannot afford that right now. So please, Do me good. One thing I think is really cool about pretty much all Japanese shops is they have a second floor. 400. That's so funny. I was just talking about how I hadn't come across a tech shop and I literally almost just walked right past it. Never would have known. Yeah, and there are quite a bit of these figurine shops I've seen. It seems to be pretty culturally in at the moment, or at least then. I tend to see a lot of younger folks as most of the customers. Each of these shops have their own genres, themes, sections, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of figurines. It's amazing how many can go in one tiny little location, but they always find room for... Ah, yes, the perverted section. Can you see that? One thing about Japan is, if you wanted to see half-naked ladies, there you go. There's a lot. Wait, I mean, oh, come on. Cool stuff. Oh, more half-naked ladies. Oh. What is this? Gran Turismo. Woo! I'm stepping on the important stuff down here. Alright. Woo! Oh! Alright. You've sold me. Let's go. What you got? Okay. Oh, guys, I have found my home. Oh. Oh my god. This place is so cool. Nice controllers too. Oh man, I'm not leaving here unless I buy something. I actually have this specific one at the house. I'm not sure if it works anymore. I mean, just look. That is PS1 right there. 50 bucks. And then the smaller edition, look. Oh my god. I'm definitely gonna get a GameCube. Look at it. Oh my god. Why don't you just put me back in my childhood days? Jesus. So this was the first system I had ever played. When I was born, this is what we had, and it was a piece of garbage. The games got stuck in there, and you know, sometimes we'd have to pry it out, but a lot of times we would just leave it in there because we didn't want to break it. After this thing bit the dust, we bought a slim PS2. I don't know if they have that, but yeah, no, we bought a slim PS2, and I actually still have that one back at the house. We never officially had a PS1, or at least I didn't. I don't know if my parents did. I definitely want one. What am I talking about there right here? So I had this, but black. This is like actually crazy. I just happened to stumble across this. You still recording? Good. Oh, wow. I have found it, guys. Paradise. Wait! A Wii. I know it sounds stupid. I know it sounds so stupid, but I might have to get a Wii. Listen, online, I could not find an actual Wii. Like if I did, that thing was like $400. This here, this is 30. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to get games too, and everything is in Japanese. Is that Silent Hill? It's Silent Hill! 30 bucks, Jesus Christ. Bomberman. Make it. Oh, I wonder. Yeah, I can't think with all the music in my head. Can't tell if the music's coming from them or my head. Never even took it out of the box. Oh boys, we're going for it. We're at about 200 right now, or like 150. Like, how could I not take advantage of that? There's $150. This is 3 classic systems. I just can't find any games for them. Yeah, exactly. Even if I got games, I don't know if I can play them. So the other thing is, where am I gonna put them? I gotta get home somehow. Yeah, I can't even hold this properly anymore. Let me just buy these, and if I want games, I'll have to come back. Oh, look, it's Doom. I think if I worked here, I would just never leave. Oh, look at it. Wow. Oh, wow. I bet you it already had the red ring of death. Oh my god, this thing is heavier than me. Fuck, look, it's already got a rip. I think this means I have to get an extra bag or something because, but damn, where am I gonna put it? Okay, well, I'm gonna shut off this recording because I gotta find out what to do. But that was a successful attempt. Sayonara.